The Owen James Report.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. A former Industry and Commerce Minister in the PNP administration, Claude Clark, has taken the government to task for crafting a budget described as being bereft of any new plan to increase economic output, a strategy that could help get the island out of its debt trap. At the same time, Clark, who was addressing PricewaterhouseCoopers' post-budget briefing yesterday, knocked the JLP administration for not engaging the IMF earlier given the island's economic crisis.
And it was strange that the JLP administration, when they entered office in 2007, did not recognize this need until 2009, after the economic crisis struck, as if it is just the economic crisis that imposed this crisis in Jamaica on us. There was a precursor to it. But even then, the government so badly misread our economic situation. They went for a program that was all about fiscal consolidation and debt repayment rather than a program designed to revive the economy's productive capacity as the foundation for debt servicing.
Speaking at the same event, Financial Secretary Dr. Wesley Hughes says since Jamaica's economy has essentially shifted from manufacturing to the services industries, the trade imbalance within CARICOM, for example, cannot be easily addressed.
There is not a lot we can trade with Guyana except to buy raw material and goods from Guyana. Guyana does not buy our main export, which is services. Tourism. There are not too many Guyanese coming here to enjoy our major export of tourism. We buy a lot of oil from Trinidad. There are not a lot of Trinidadians coming here to enjoy our most important export, which is services again.
News on the foreign exchange market now, and the Jamaican dollar weakened against the three regularly traded foreign currencies today. In other words, the US and the Canadian dollars as well as the British pound strengthened against the Jamaican currency. The benchmark American dollar gained 3 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $88.62, whilst the Canadian dollar jumped 28 cents Jamaican to close at $86.17. Sterling advanced by 24 cents Jamaican, closing at $137.54. News on the equities market now, and a 12.5% gain by Cable and Wireless was enough to trigger mild gains in the Jamaican stock market indices. The main JC index advanced by nearly 10 points, or 100%. 24 stocks traded, with 12 advancing, 9 declining, and 3 holding firm. Winners included Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Gleaner, Jamaica Brawlers, Lasco Distributors, Sagicor Life Jamaica, and Scotia Investments. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Dano and Geddes, JMMB, Lascelles de Mercado, NCB, and Scotia Group. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report.